saying that statement thing, recognizing the full import of that is another. But still it will be through words only. That is Vijnanam. Otherwise the whole chapter will be over. Forget chapter. Bhagavad Gita will be over. We'll say Jnanam, we got it. Bhagavan said Sa Vijnanam Asheshata Vakshyami. But I don't know where did he give Vijnanam. We will look for that. In Chatushloki Bhagavatam, 4 slokas only he covers everything. Right? So we don't even have time. The Jnanam, where is Jnanam and where is Vijnanam? But here so many slokas are there, we will forget. This is Pratignya actually, Bhagavan's. Pratignya means this is the proposition. This is what I am going to tell you. So the conclusion should be, did he say what he had promised? Right? If you come to this class and I said today we are going to see Bhagavad Gita, and I go on, and at the end somebody asks, is Bhagavad Gita started? So that should not happen. So when Bhagavan says Jnanam Savijnanam Idam Vakshyami, I will tell you, that means Vijnanam also will come through words. Right? See, these are the things we have to understand. This is Vedanta Siddhanta. That is why Shrunu, then Jnasyasi. Now, earlier we might have read Bhagavad Gita, so many times, but when we get it, oh, now I got it. So, alertness. Jnanam and Vijnanam. There are different ways of defining this. See, Jnanam is knowledge of effects, if you want to call. And Vijnanam would be knowledge of cause. So when Bhagavan says, I will tell you knowledge of, I will give you Jnanam and Vijnanam, which means I will tell you the effect in the form of Jagat, and Vijnanam means I will tell you about myself. So in Jnanam, Vijnanam, this idea is covered. And other point that I told you already, Jnanam means that God is. Somewhere He is, let Him be there, He is fine as long as He is doing whatever I desire. Then that is knowledge of God. Yes, He is there. Vijnanam means He is right here. That means that God is Satchid Ananda Swarupa. Or differently, a little bit more easier way of understanding, Jnanam means the knowledge of Saguna Brahma, and Vijnanam is Nirguna Brahma. Yeah, this we understand. So that way. I will tell you. What will happen once I know this Bhagavan? So, Bhagavan gives another very, very important statement. Yad jnatva neha bhuyonyat jnatavyam avashishyate. Iha anyat jnatavyam na avashishyate. Having known this, nothing else will remain to be known. So if we know who is God as the cause of this creation, all effects will be known. So, Karana Jnanena, Karya Jnana. By knowing the cause, knowledge of effect will take place. Just as by knowing gold, all gold ornaments are known. If somebody goes to ocean and says, I want to know all waves, and for that I am ready to stand here, and waves keep coming and coming, and somebody says, do you know all waves? No, there are some more which are remaining. When will he know all waves? Never. What he has to know? Water. Over. In this world, what are we doing? We are trying to learn this, learn that, know this, know that. God says, you know me, everything will be over. This is from Mundaka Upanishad, this second line. The disciple of Mundaka Upanishad is Shaunaka Rishi, and he goes to Angiras Rishi. Shaunako havai mahashalo angirasam vidivat upasanna papracha kasminnu bhagavo vijñāte sarvamidam vijñātam bhavati iti. Shaunaka Rishi, he went to Angirasa, and how did he went? Vidhivat upasanna. In the right way. So that Vidhivat was explained in 4th chapter. That you surrender to your teacher, you serve the teacher, then you ask the question. Tadvidhi pranipatena pariprashnena sevaya. Then upadekshanti te jnanam. So he went there and asked the question. And the question was, what is that by knowing which everything is known? I am tired of knowing so many things. And anyway, I don't remember all of that. So why bother? Just tell me that one thing. And Bhagavan says, I will tell you, which means there is something like that. Which will put an end to all our other efforts. Not only that, by knowing this, there will be kritakrityata. Etad buddhva buddhiman syat kritakrityascha bharata. In 15th chapter, Bhagavan says. That means fulfillment will come only through this. Everything else will still leave us high and dry. You study one branch. Oh, physics. You know everything about atom. And if somebody says, can you 100% say you know everything about atom? You say, I have doubt. And even if he says yes, about all other branches there is ajnanam. You say, no, I am going to study computer science. After some time, first of all, there new products they keep coming out with, new release, new software, new hardware, new network, this, that. Endless. Everything. But once I know everything is Brahman. You say this is new thing. Okay, new in Nama Rupa, not in essence. So then he is relaxed. So yad jnatva neha bhuyo anyat bhuyaha jnatavyam na avashisha. Nothing else that we will feel, oh, now I have to know this. Without knowing this, I am incomplete, that bhava will go. Kritakrityata means that. Paripurnoham. I am all complete. I don't have to know anything else. That Bhagavan says you will know. Bhagavan, why you didn't say this in the beginning only? Bhagavan says same thing I have been telling. Now I have to reiterate in different ways. Okay, then there is a question. The question is, if this is how it is, that by knowing one thing, everything is known, why don't everyone strive for this only? Why people are doing so many other things in life? This is the best thing. So Bhagavan is going to answer that question. Some of these shlokas, this especially second one, third one, these are all gems. They are oft quoted shlokas. We will see in the next class now.